Darkside Engineering is a US-based lightsaber blade company, and he sells his blade plugs on the Imperial Royal Arms forums. And the blade plugs that he's known for creating are razor blade plugs, so they're blade plugs that use shaver heads on the top. And all of them are 1-inch diameter blade plugs. There is another seller on Imperial Royal Arms called ARKM that will make the 7/8 inch blade plugs that are the same style. So yeah, if you need that size, you would go to that other seller. But he's a very established member on these forums, and he sells 3 different series of lightsaber blade plugs, and that's the razor series, which looks like this. It just, kind of has the razor part as the main portion of the blade plug. And then there's the Shredder Series 2, which is similar to the Razor Series, but it has these kind of metal pieces protruding at the top of the blade plug. And then finally there's the Shredder Series 3, which is just like Shredder Series 2, except these little pieces are turned upside down, so it gives a slightly different effect. But they're real neat looking blade plugs, and they range in price from $19 to $100, and most of the variance in cost is due to the materials used. So the aluminum blade plugs like this tend to be on the cheaper end of that scale, and then pricier metals like titanium are the highest priced ones. So that's kind of Darkside Engineering in a nutshell, and let's take a look at what these two look like, at least with the lightsaber. And you get a real nice effect both with the cone in the center and all of the little holes kind of from the razor head or the shaver head. So very cool looking design, I think. And that goes for many of his lightsaber blade plug styles. So I think that about sums it up. These are some Darkside Engineering blade plugs, and he is a seller that is based on the Imperial Royal Arms forums.